Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest gadgets and tech trends. Today I am going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which was released in early 2022. It's been almost a year since its launch, so does this tablet still worth buying in 2023? Let's find out. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is Samsung's flagship tablet that offers a massive 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and a huge 11,000 mAh battery, and a lot of features and accessories that make it a versatile device for work and play. But it also comes with a hefty price tag of $1,100 for the base model with 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. So is it worth spending that much money on tablet in 2023? The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has one of the best displays on any tablet, with a stunning 14.6-inch screen that has a resolution of 25/1600 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The screen is bright, sharp and colorful, and it supports HDR10 Plus for enhanced video quality. The screen also has a curved edge design that gives it a more impressive look and feel. If you love watching movies, playing games or browsing the web on a large screen, then you will love the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Let's talk about the performance. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is one of the most powerful processors on any Android device. It also handles any task you throw it, whether it's a multitasking, gaming, editing or streaming. The tablet also has up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1 TB with a micro SD card. If you need a tablet that can run smoothly and fast without any lag or stutter, then you will appreciate the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Let's talk about the battery time. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has massive 11,200 mAh battery that can last up to 15 hours of mixed usage on a single charge. It also supports 45 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging, which can top up your battery faster than most tablets. If you need a tablet that can last long without needing to plug in often, then you will impress by the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Let's talk about the camera setup. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has a dual rear camera setup with 13 megapixel main sensor and a 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor. It also has a 8 megapixel front facing camera for selfies and video calls. The cameras are decent for a tablet, but they are not as good as the one of some if you want to compare with the cell phones or laptops. However, the Galaxy Tab S Ultra has one unique feature that it sets apart from other tablets. It has an ultra-wide front camera that can capture more of your surrounding and background when you are video calling or vlogging. If you need a tablet that can offer you more flexibility and creativity with your camera usage, then you will enjoy Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Let's talk about the software. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra runs on Android 11 with One UI 3.1, which is Samsung custom skin that adds some features and tweaks to enhance your tablet experience. For example, you can use DeX mode to turn your tablet into desktop-like interface with multiple windows and keyboard shortcuts. You can also use Samsung Note app to sync your notes across your devices and use Air command menu to access various features with S Pen stylus. If you like having more options and customization with your Android device, then you will also like Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Let's talk about the accessories comes with Galaxy Tab S Ultra. You will see S Pen stylus, which is a battery-free pen that attaches magnetically to the back of the tablet. The S Pen has a pressure-sensitive tip and a button that can trigger various actions. You can also use the S Pen to write, draw, annotate and navigate on the screen. The tablet also supports various keyboard accessories that can enhance your productivity and typing experience. The book cover keyboard is folio case that has a full-size keyboard and a trackpad. The book cover keyboard also have a hinge that lets you adjust the viewing angle of tablet. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is still one of the best tablets you can buy in 2023 if you value a large and immersive display, a powerful and smooth performance, a long-lasting and fast-charging battery, an ultra-wide front camera, and a lot of feature accessories that make it a versatile device for work and play. However, it also has some drawbacks that you should consider before buying it, such as the pricing, size and weight, compatibility. These are the things you can consider before buying it. But overall, the device is outstanding and impressive. That's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful and informative. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also, let me know in the comment what you think of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and whether you will buy it or not in 2023. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.